Hello friends, myself Vasudha. I've completed my intermediate from Kites Junior College and I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and I'm over here to share my views and experiences on the respective college. So let's begin. First of all, my heartily congratulations for you all that you have completed your class 10th examination successfully, and as you have entered into the intermediate level, first question arises which subject to choose, and my advice would be if you have chosen the commerce stream, I'll be showing my experiences and my views on it. So first of all, after this is my experience. After completing my 10th in Raipur, I thought I only wanted to join in Vizag for commerce stream. So I was in search of each and every college for commerce, and in every college I found some or the another thing which was lagging behind, like discipline, cleanliness, and some or the another. At last we came for Kites Junior College. We thought that it would also be like that, but this was something different from another colleges. This is best for cleanliness, best for discipline, and 100% it is for education. So I'll be telling you that what all subjects with which streams our college provides you. So our college provides with subjects like the commerce is divided into MEC and CEC. MEC, which includes mathematics, economics and commerce, and CEC belongs to civics, economics and commerce. Along with it, CA Foundation is the basic means for entering into the CA level, which our college provides, and it is with MEC as well as CEC. Other than that, CLAT is also one another option for civil services people as well. Next, coming to the faculty, all the faculty members are professional. All our directors are the All India rank holders. Our teachers, they are professionals, like gold medalist in mathematics. They are CACS finalists, semi-finalists, and LLBs, and all of them are best leveled in their own. All of the faculty, their main motive is to make us conceptually strong, and they are always ready to clarify your doubts whenever and wherever. They are always with the point of view that you should be clear with the concept. So never ever feel regret or never ever feel regret to ask any queries with regarding to the subject with them. They are all fine with your queries, and they never irritate or something like that. They are very friendly. Feel very friendly with them. The hostel rooms are well cleaned on a daily basis, and there are AC rooms as well as non-AC rooms. Provided by our college is A1 graded, and it is very nutritious and hygienic. Cultural activities are also organized. They took us to some or the another grounds where they make us play outdoor games like football, throw ball, and everything which can make our mind refreshed. It is held every second Saturday of every month, and to allow your seniors to organize freshers for you all, and you also have to organize farewell for them if you choose. And the Kites Junior College is located in the middle of the Vizag, which makes the transportation purposes for hostel people easier and communicable. It would not create any problem towards for you to transport either to the bus stops, either for the railway stations, and it is also nearer to the national highway as well. At last, if you want to accomplish your dreams, your goals, your archives, just join Kites Junior College to fulfill all of them. So all the best, and thank you.